Now we go into the Edit menu in CapCut by importing the two videos, the countdown and the fire overlay. We'll use a merging technique to create a countdown fire effect. First, tap the countdown and select Overlay. Choose Remove Background, then select Chroma Key. Move the circular point in the center to the white color of the countdown. Set Shadow to 100. If you're using the CapCut Pro version, also adjust Feather Edge and Clean Edge to smooth out the chroma key. Now let's take a look at what needs to be fixed. We're losing the fire effect on some of the numbers, so let's fix that. Now tap the fire effect, then choose a good-looking part and tap Split. Tap the unwanted effect sections and delete them. Then duplicate the fire effect and choose Reverse. After reversing, tap the fire effect on the left, select Duplicate, and drag it behind the reversed clip. Once the adjustments are done, let's review and make final tweaks. After everything is aligned, make sure the ending of the fire effect and the countdown are in sync. Then export. Now, we've created a countdown with a fire effect. This is ready to be uploaded to Adobe Stock, targeting video editors as the audience. They're looking for basic materials to edit and customize in their own style before selling them on micro-stock agencies. We're going to create a variation of this countdown by combining multiple effects before listing it on Adobe Stock. But after we combine the fire countdown and the fire overlay again,